You mean red butterflies?
Yes, of course.
I should stop looking out for you, like I always do. Who are you? Start looking out for me too. Instead of leaving me staring at my shoes. Just the way you're glancing at me, something about you.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I will take everything.
Just to get my brother said, yo, what's up with the you say stick it, water, stick it, look like a feather from the back end of the chicken. I ain't gonna use no silly hairspray. You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that she said she doesn't. It shows you more like I do. I'm in my room, it's a typical Tuesday
I could send up my heart to you. So when